Welcome to our training, Fix Inactive or Suppressed Listings. The Fix Your Products page in Seller Central helps you review and address issues causing your listings to be inactive or suppressed from customer search results. To access the Fix Your Products page, select the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Inventory and select Manage Inventory. Then, click Search Suppressed and Inactive Listings in the Listings Tools section of the Manage Inventory page. On the left side of the Fix Your Products page, you'll see current listing issues. You can sort them by the Completed with Issues or Incomplete Listings filters. Completed with Issues listings are those that you've submitted and that we've accepted into the Amazon catalog, but are either no longer buyable or no longer displayable to customers. Incomplete listings are those that you've submitted but that we haven't accepted into the Amazon catalog because they require more information. Below these options, you'll see your current number of inactive, search suppressed, and at-risk listings. To learn more about these categories, select the question mark icon next to each section's title. Suppressed listings, for example, are products we've removed from the Amazon store. Suppressions typically happen due to the product being a potential duplicate or missing a product detail page requirement, like a main image with a white background. You can also use the page's search field as well as the fulfillment, date of change, and fixability filters to locate a specific product or issue. When you're ready to address a listing issue, you can do so directly from the Fix Your Products page. Here are some examples of issues you can address from this page. You can add a missing core detail page requirement, like a product description or a compliant main image. You can address out-of-stock SKUs by updating the quantity or selecting restock. Or you can review a potential duplicate. If you determine the listings shown are not duplicates, choose These Are Not Duplicates to fix the issue. Most inactive or suppressed listings will go live about 15 minutes after you fix them, but certain scenarios may take longer to resolve since they require human review. These scenarios can include reviewing listings that are blocked or require approval. Your listing may require additional steps for reactivation that aren't currently included on the Fix Your Products page. If your listing remains inactive after fixing the issue, revisit the page to check if additional steps are required to reactivate the listing. We also recommend checking the Fix Your Product page regularly to help ensure that customers can find and purchase your products. This concludes our video on how to fix your inactive or search-suppressed listings in Seller Central. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!